Waiting for, I'll wait for your love. You are worth waiting for. Anama yogi do do do, yenu mo bigi. Anama yogi yenu mi funanya, yenu mo bigi. Omalichamo, ifegide mumano bio. Mwamolo namale, chai, asim na yimasirimo. Lelele, anama yogi do do do, yenu mo bigi. Anama yogi yenu mi funanya, yenu mo bigi. Yeah, yeah.
This is a sacred ground. Shadows of death. Tears of blood. Balls of thunder. Tongues of fire. The skin that adorns this king, the shoulder of a king, is best known by the leopard. Only the leopard knows who provided. The skin that presses the king's shoulder. Only the leopard knows who provided. Fire!
Get it. Get it, my brother. Huh? Huh?
Yeah, greetings. Sit.
You know, this one is a very lovely one. A big catch indeed. A big catch.
Nadi, this one must have been on its own.
Well.
Because the species is not often seen in our bushes.
Well, our swaying arrows are not friends with sojourners, my brother. Yeah. Olu mwenja bula fima slora. Amboka. Hey. Wike. Na no corner. Wike. You know, born aboke, na abodike, born and born. But see you dike name. For that abagu, for that abadandida. Magandina did arabagu, then on you got abadandida. Yes, I heard that Amokwe people are performing purification rituals. Yes, they've been on it for about 3 circles of the moon. Yes, someone may have stepped on a sacred ground with filthy feet. Mama, they are like nyama. Hey! No road goes you. Kambula females all around me. Aboka akwam. Iburia. Iburia no. Yeah.
I fight for your love. You are what fighting for. I'll wait for your love.
Greetings.
I don't know what that. Norma.
Greetings, Anadi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm doing well. Norma, how is your friend?
Ure.
Yes.
I left her at the farm. She's where?
Oh, she's at the farm?
Yes. She's reading her mother's farm mat.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
I have to run, okay? Let me go. I was sent on an errand.
Errand?
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Nice day.
Okay. What are you doing here?
I have come to see you.
I am busy with work.
I know. I could help.
No, thank you. My mother will soon bring me water. I wouldn't want her to see you here. So please.
Okay, Uri, I brought you something.
What is it?
It's meat. Take it.
I am not interested. Listen, I've told you to stop bringing me meat. I don't want them. As you can see, my father feeds me well.
I have never argued that.
Then stop doing it.
Uri, listen. I bring you whatever I bring because I love you. And I cannot stop doing it.
Well, Anadi, I don't love you. My heart lies with another.
Another?
Yes. A man that is much better than you can ever be. Excuse me.
Oh, wait.
Ajali.
How are you people?
They are well.
May the gods be praised.
You say...
What have you been eating? Look at you. Your skin glows like the shell of a sea turtle.
Oh, come on, Ajali. You have a way with words.
I speak the truth.
Do you have something on the fire?
My meat. My meat. My meat's on black.
I'm sorry about that.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's well.
I got something for you.
Something.
Yes. Something. I made it specially for you. You will like it.
Wow.
Ajali!
Urema means no good and you know it. She is crafty, proud and has no shame.
You sound like you found her in my bosom already.
Well, it will not be long before that happens. That maiden will slay her own mother just to be with you.
Honor.
I am sorry. I let my anger take the better part of me. My love, Urema does not like me, and I do not like her either. It's just that she wants you. Yes. I have heard it from the mouth of others.
Why do you worry unnecessarily? Why? I have told you. My heart, my soul, my body, my love, they all belong to you and you alone. Anna, I will love you till my dying day.
Ajali, your words, they are so sweet.
And so is your smile. Come, let me take you inside. Soothe your nerves. I believe that would relax your mind.
Yes.
Come.
How long has this been going on that I did not know about?
Well, it started like a joke. But before I knew it, it got out of hand.
Chiro, you mean that idiot knew you were having something with Honor? Eh? And she's still coming to you? What does she want? Yeah? Or who does she think she is that you will leave Honor for her?
She probably thinks she's beautiful.
Shut up. What's the problem? Who is beautiful? Who is beautiful? That Ichi. That Ichi. Chiro. Don't tell me that you have started falling for her devilish seduction. I hope it is not what I'm thinking.
Far from that, Ide. Come on. You and I know that Honor is irreplaceable. I am just concerned about Anadi.
Anadi? Yes. What about him?
Anadi seems to like Urema. But Urema doesn't even want to hear the name Anadi.
Chiro, you mean Anadi has been talking to that idiot Urema and she refused? Rather, she kept pushing herself in between you and Honor. No wonder. I said it that Urema is possessed with the spirit of Umuabara. I'm telling you. Because anytime I come across her, there is this feeling about her that makes me hate her.
Ide, you don't have to condemn her because she likes and wants to be with me.
What nonsense is that? Eh? What does it? Fast, she is already condemned the moment she kept pushing herself into you. What nonsense is that? No, who does that? Eh? Have you forgotten that it is a taboo in our land for a maiden to go to a man asking for love? Not to talk of when she knows that you are with honor. Still, she want to come in between.
As I was saying, after fetching this water, I'll go take care of my sick mother.
Oh, mom is sick.
My grandmother is sick. Let's be fast.
Greetings. Ajali is not the only man in this village. Neither is he the most handsome. But he's the one my heart goes out to. But at this point, you should redirect your heart. I can't. If I can, you will know. You are my friend. Uri, I hope you know that Anaji loves you. I hope you know that. His words are so sweet. He says my skin shines like a sea turtle. Hey. Honestly, Norma, I feel like a child whenever I'm around him. His gaze humbles me. I'm just wondering how his touch should be.
To that extent, Uri, get the hold of yourself. What has come over you?
Oh, my Ajali. I can't wait to be with him.
Uri, look at... Wait, let the maiden be.
What I will do to this maiden. This dry stick, dry bone. What I will do to her. Even the gods have no idea.
Uri, it's not her fault. Eh? Besides, she did not force Ajali to love her. Yes, now. Calm down now.
Well, okay, fine. Would you provide the head of a man if she demands it?
Understatement. I will even provide 2 heads on a platter of bronze.
Are you serious?
You do not understand. Abera, you do not understand. All I think about and all I think of is Urema. I eat, I breathe, I dream of this particular maiden. Urema's beauty is mesmerizing.
This is what you have been saying from season to season. What has stopped you from bringing her home as your wife?
Another. Her heart belongs to another.
It is a lost fight then.
But by the gods, hey, woe to that man. Huh? Woe to that man. Because I, Anade, a skilled archer, one of the best and greatest hunters in this land, shall bury my arrow in his stomach. It's not a threat. It's a promise.
You will bury your arrow in his stomach? You're a madman. I am disappointed in you for saying that. What nonsense is that? Fact, you just sounded like a coward.
Are you stupid? Why would you call me that? Did I hear you call me a coward?
No. For what? Am I mad? Am I... I don't know, Mom. How can I call one of the strongest men of my land a coward? Adali, you are here. Did you hear me call him a coward? I said you sounded like a coward.
Justice!
Hey! What's saying it?
You know, magana wata na-eri ike bụ na ya na ndị ọkala nọ. Ọkwa na ebe ma na ka mmanya na-egbu. Ogbuni m ju ebe mara etifugide gị ma. What is it? That's it.
Oh, that's it. Yes. Any problem?
Oh, my brother. What do you suggest I should do?
I don't know.
Greetings.
Greetings, Ray.
How are you?
I am well.
The gods be praised.
Uri, can I have a word with you? Uri, can I have a word with you? Uri.
Yes. What do you want?
Uri, you already know what I want. You already know. Huh? Listen, you have practically driven sleep off my eyes. I do not think about any other thing except you. And Uri, please.
Please. Enough. Sing your tunes to other maidens who care. I am not interested.
Oh, but Uri, Uri.
What did she say?
Let's go.
My good friend, that maiden has enslaved your mind.
Perhaps you're right.
What? What? What nonsense is that? You idiot! You idiot for accepting that maiden has enslaved your mind. What nonsense is that?
Ide, are you going to sit here and call me names in my own house?
What can you do? You idiot! What do you think you can do? You ask me for help and you don't want to behave yourself. What nonsense is that? You open your mouth to tell me that you have been enslaved by come on. What nonsense? I'm leaving here.
Ide, so because I want you to help me, that is why you are insulting me, calling me names in my own house? Huh? Ide. Ide, hold on. Huh? Hold on. Ide, but why are you doing this to me? Then, Odum na-egbu agụ. Mana arụrụ na-achụ na Odum na-ebe obi. Ya na ife omini bụ na ike dị n'abọ obu ji egbu na-agwọ. All I ask is, help me talk to her. Is it too much to ask of my friend? Huh?
Don't worry. I will talk to them. I will talk to her.
Thank you very much.
But why on earth would you allow a common maiden to enslave your mind? And you are proud saying it to me.
My brother, I'm just telling you the way it is in my heart. It is the way it is. If I can control it, I will control it. But do speak to her for me. Ide, please do your best. Try all you can to convince her. Let her know how much ready I am to marry her.
Well, I will try. But sometimes you talk like an idiot.
They must you insult me anytime I ask you for a favor? Must you insult me?
You idiot! Huh? No, what are you going to do?
You know, on a normal, you know there's no one that can do that to me. But for friendship's sake. Anyway, I will not do anything. All I ask is help me convince her, Bikono. Eh? Do it for me.
Well, I will try.
You do not just try. You don't understand. You do not understand. Do not try. Do your best.
I cannot assure you that, though. I cannot assure you. Urema is an idiot and a very stubborn maiden. You know that.
You insult me. You insult Urema. I take all that. Just do what I asked you. Go now. Biko. Oh. Convince her. You didn't know. You didn't know. Oh, yeah, they won't go any further. I talk on the noon catacomb. Also.
It's all right.
I'm going to can I am also. Manozo, I know one. Go.
No problem.
Go. Go. Okay, the bay.
Let me go and come back.
I'm waiting. Huh?
Bure, you have stolen his peace of mind. All day long, it is you he talks about. See, Anadi is willing to do anything just to make you his.
But I already told him that my heart belongs to another.
Yes, he says so.
So, why does he insist? There are other maidens. He can go ahead and choose another.
You know, it doesn't work that way. Eh? A man does not take off his eyes where his heart lies. Remember that a man builds his heart where his treasure lies.
But mine lies with another.
The best man is that man who can lay down everything for your sake. Is the other man willing to lay down everything for you? Listen, my dear. Anadi is willing. Is very willing to lay down everything for you. He's even willing to lay down his life for you. Please think about it.
You didn't know? You didn't know? I'm not one near no nose on all our to ya. I go out here. Yeah? My friend, how did it go? Speak to me. How did it go? Oh, eh? How?
It didn't go well.
How do you mean it didn't go well? That means you didn't do what you were supposed to do. I confided in you. I trusted you. What will you do? Just convince her. Boy.
My love, I feared you would not come.
Why not? I was with Honor. Oh, do not be sad. My heart is no longer with her. It is you I crave to be with. The thought of your love gladdens my heart. And the songs of your name, a rhythm my heart yearns for.
My love.
Yes.
You mislead me with your words.
May the gods strike me if I ever lie to you.
Ajali.
Come with me. Let me show you.
I'm all ears. It was all a dream.
Greetings. Greetings.
Urema.
Wait. Have you been looking for me?
Yes.
Okay, you know what? Let's go to a quiet place that will be covered from the prying eyes of the village. Let's go.
Wait. That is not why I'm here.
Well, okay. So tell me why you're here. I want ears.
It's about Anadi. I think he likes you. Please, can you give him a chance?
That's what you came here to tell me.
Yes.
Does that mean that my feelings towards you means nothing?
No. Far from that. I respect your feelings towards me, but it holds no water. My heart belongs to someone else.
In other words, you are saying that I do not deserve you.
No. You deserve the best. But your best is not me. I belong to honor. I think you should consider Nadi.
Stop mentioning his name.
Look, Urema. You already know I am with honor. I am feeling uneasy already. If Anadi finds out that you nurture such feelings towards me, he will be hurt. Please reconsider.
You care about your friend getting hurt, but you do not care how hurt he made me feel already.
Look, Urema, if what you desire comes to pass, you alone will be happy. For me, I will spend the rest of my life regretting I took that decision. Anadi will be hurt, honor will bleed. I will not let that happen.
How are you even able to say this to me? Ajali, I love you. I love you from the bottom of my heart. And that is all that matters. Please, see this from my own point.
I need you to see it from my own point of view. I am taken. And you should.
Please don't go, please, please, please.
I fight for your love. You are worth fighting for. I'll wait for your love. You are worth waiting for. Anama yogi do do do. Yenu mo bigi. Anama yogi yenu mi funanya. Yenu mo bigi. Omali chamo. Ifegide mumano bio. Mwamolo na male. Chai. Asim na yimasirimo. Lelele. Anama yogi do do do. Yenu mo bigi. Anama yogi yenu mi funanya. Yenu mo
You kept me waiting.
I am sorry. I am sorry. I had to run errands for my father.
Your father? Are you sure?
Yes. I went to get yam seedlings from Odoye.
It appears your father will be cultivating a lot this season.
It appears so.
And my sunshine will be working a lot too.
Yes.
Will you still have time for me?
Yes, of course. You know my heart will not rest if my eyes do not see you.
Those words. You really mean them?
Every one of them.
I have something in mind.
What?
Turn around. Close your eyes.
Eyes are closed.
She preferred that dry bone over me. Over me. What does she have?
Yes. What up?
Just do it.
You see what I'm talking about? Huh? You see? Look at the girl you want to kill yourself for. Nenel, look at the maiden you want to kill yourself. I've told you before that this maiden, evil spirits leaving her. Look at the way she's crumbling like a witch.
I have warned you to always count your words, especially when it comes to Rema. I will not warn you again.
You won't warn me again. My friend, you better start listening to me now. Don't forget about this maiden now. Forget about her. Forget about her. I've told you before that she's possessed with the spirit of Umabara. But this foolishness in you will not allow you to listen to me.
You're talking about my love. I won't warn you again.
Spirit of Umabara. Umabara!
Urema, what evil spirit has flown into you?
You are the one that is possessed with evil spirit.
Do you have to put your dirty feet in the spot where I want to fetch water from?
Yes. Invoke the rains. Let me see.
You are looking for my trouble.
Yes, I know. What can you do? What? Why?
Hey. A drunken fowl often thinks itself to be great and a hero until it crosses paths with a demented wolf.
Jalo, is she talking to me? No. Am I the one she's referring to as a drunken fowl? Yeah, I'm more of a drunken fowl.
Ure, please stop it. Stop it.
Stop what? She called me a drunken fowl. Is him stop it? She called me a drunken fowl. Is him stop it?
Please now. It's okay. Ona, please, sorry. Oh.
Who are you? Come back here. Come back. Where are you going to? Come back and talk to me. Let me slap your tongue back into your mouth, idiot. Before I call the dry bone. What?
It's okay now.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Look at your mouth. It's okay. You're supposed to be my friend. Eh? You can eat in your man, can walk out like this. Why am I? She would drink to her fill. And then I say, it's okay. It's okay. Bad friend. Look at her. You think you're beautiful? Huh? We shall see. A calf that hungers to have a horn should be ready to bear the consequences of growing horns. Idiot.
Wait,
I'm not fear.
It's okay.
Next time, Mama Fugi, I'll break you into two.
Inspector.
Norma, you're supposed to be my friend. Why are you taking sides with her?
I'm not taking any side. Well, you and I know that the maiden is innocent.
So, I saw them with my 2 eyes. They were all over each other. I'm sure he has seen the woman in her.
Hey, so that got you embittered? That's it now.
Yes, because I want him. I want Ajali. I should be the one with him in that groove. Not that stupid dry bone.
Wait, one thing you should know that the gods favor us differently. If it is not yours, it is not yours. What is it?
Is that not an addy?
Consider him. Consider him. Ure.
Oh, Ure, excuse me. Ure, can I have a word with you? Norma.
I'm really sorry for her attitude. Please, I'm sorry. Please.
Please, can I talk to you?
To me.
Okay, maybe tomorrow.
Okay, tomorrow is better. Okay, please. Ure, please wait.
I have tried all I could to talk to her. But her heart is too strong. Almost impossible to be watered. Norma, I want you to help me. Listen, if she consents today, tomorrow I am in their house with my kingsmen.
Anadi, I'm not in a position to help you.
But she's your friend.
Then you have to talk to your own friend too.
My friend?
Yes, Ajali. He's the one who Rema is in love with.
Norma, you're not from the family of jesters.
Anadi, he's the reason Urema keeps rejecting you. Yes.
Ajali. Aha.
What?
The whole thing is appalling, honestly.
Ajali! Ajali! Where is that coward? Ajali!
Why are you screaming
So
like
it's
one who
true.
is possessed? What is true?
So it's true.
What is true?
So what they say about your father being a snitch is true. Hey. About your father who was used by Amok cowards against his own people.
What stupid talk is that? And how dare you talk about my father in that manner?
You ate with me, drank with me, and yet you hatched my own doom. What's your problem? What is wrong with you, Anade? What is wrong with you? This man here knows what I am talking about. You ask how? You ask how, Ajali? I trusted you as a friend, but you poured my trust on the floor, matched it with your feet. That is how. How is that? You have your own maiden, but you hunger for mine. That is how! I don't understand. I am
Anadi, I just want...
you think I will not find out? You think I will not find out? Is that it? Chiro, I am confused here. Eh? What woman? Urema. He has been seeing Urema behind me. No. That is not true. Who told you?
Anadi, I wanted to tell you. I wanted you to know...
Lies! Lies! You hatched it all by yourself. Ajali. You laughed at my failure. Huh? I rejoiced in my doom, Ajali. You do not know what I'm talking about. No problems. No problems. And I walk with gay. Or the get again. Nigga one thing. Okay, I know made you okay. Today is yours. Tomorrow will be mine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Huh? Anade. Okay, takwala agwo. Ask oka ma no mata hapa nwadibia. Nwadibia ma no ma vuo oka onu. Hey! Challenge. Man, this idiot. Say his full name is Anadenjo. His full name is Anadenjo. Forget about him. Guy with idiot. What do you mean by okay, Chalagbo? Are you anything, doctor? Cow. Now forget about. He's an idiot.
I fight for your love. You are worth fighting for.
Listen, I know that man. That man that makes you despise me. You know he has a woman and you still love him. I poured my love on your feet and you trampled on it. Listen, Ajali will never have you. I will ensure that. Trust me. Normal.
What is it? Why are you shouting my name?
You know I don't have your time. You know it. Something came up, and that's why I stopped you.
This firewood I'm carrying is very heavy, so go straight to the point. What is it?
Did you tell Anadi about Urema and Ajali?
You mean Anadi?
Enuade.
Of course not.
Ha!
I told him.
Look at what's that. Of course you told him. Of course you did what? What is your problem? No, couldn't you have shut your mouth? Huh? Do you not have sense? Are you just full of flesh and bones without a single brain? Huh?
Ide, don't insult me. After all, I don't see anything wrong with what I did.
There's everything wrong with what you did. Ha. What's your problem?
Oh.
Why will you say that to Anadi? Huh? Don't you know that saying that to Anadi will bring a problem between the two friends? They don't see any problem.
How am I supposed to know it will cause problem between the two of them?
How will you have done? You don't have any brain? Huh? What kind of woman being are you? I just said that you are just full of flesh and bones without a single brain.
All these things
must you talk everything you see?
All these things you're saying is because I'm standing here talking to you.
You idiot!
Don't worry.
What do you think you can do? Idiot!
Nora?
Brainless!
Mad.
Fish brain! Look at this idiot! Possessed with the spirit of Umamara! Evil spirit! Brainless! How can this idiot be full with flesh and bones without a brain? Brainless fish! Idiot!
Norma, is that why you're worried?
Never occurred to me that telling Anadi would cause problem between the two of them.
I don't see anything wrong with what you did. As a matter of fact, this is the best thing you have done for me as a friend. Come here. Thank you. Thank you for letting Anadi know that he has no space in my life. Thank you.
Ure, do you actually consider the fact that he might feel hurt and jealous? Eh? And the worst part is that he won't even know you're the one throwing yourself at Ajali.
Who cares? Huh? The most important thing is that he will stop disturbing me. Thank you, my friend. Thank you.
Stop, please. I'm really... Stop it now. I'm really worried, seriously. This is not right.
Oh, now I'm free. Thanks to the God.
Mother, what kind of sleep is this? Are you having neighbor? Why are you sleeping at this time of the day? Stand up. There are works to do within the compound and you're here sleeping. Come, follow me. Come on, get up.
Oh, Mama.
Oh, Norma, Norma, you have succeeded, right? You have succeeded. No, your plans have worked.
How?
What?
Norma, please, I am very sorry, all right? You can go now.
Go where?
Thank you.
What do you mean go? What is? Norma, you can go. What nonsense is that? Are you not the cause? Yeah? Let me tell this idiot the truth. She and her friend are evil and should be treated as such.
Ide, you will learn how to be polite with.
No. Let me talk to her. Allow me to tell her the truth.
You are beginning to offend me. What is the meaning of this? When did all this rude character of yours start? When did it start? What did that poor maiden do to you? Why would you have to embarrass her like that?
Chiro, no. Is that what you call embarrassment? Ha! Anyway, I set my eyes on that idiot. Many loaded with embarrassment. How embarrassing her. Should we eat embarrassment, speak embarrassment, move embarrassment?
You will stop being saucy to that maiden.
She's evil.
You will stop being saucy to that.
Possessed with the spirit of Umambara. You idiot! Spirit of Umambara! Idiot! What nonsense!
My heart swells with fear.
Fear.
It's another full moon, and I am yet to be stained. I think I am with child. What do I do?
You are the one my heart desires, no one else but you. Anama yogi do do do, yenu mo bigi. Anama yogi yenu mi funanya, yenu mo bigi. Yeah, yeah, dimma, yeah, woman, dimma, yeah, woman, ijifunaya. Yeah, yeah, dimma, yeah, woman, dimma, yeah, woman, ijifunaya. Yeah, yeah, dimma, yeah, woman, dimma, yeah, woman, ijifunaya. Yeah, yeah, dimma, yeah, woman, dimma, yeah, woman, ijifunaya.
Now, as the farmer
continues, most birds were dying off. As a matter of fact, there was no day that broke without a death. The birds were becoming heartbroken. The famine was becoming worse on daily basis. Instead of getting better, it was becoming worse. And something has to be done. Something has to be done. Someone has to fly far, far, far into, in fact, beyond the sky to commune with the gods and plead with the gods. A wonderful idea. But the challenge was, who could that be? Who could have the courage to embark on such journey? Umakibe muno ajunam, oh, makibe muno ajunam, oh, mburunze nanze amugim, oh, mburunze nahi amugim, oh. So the challenge became, who could have the courage to embark on such journey? Ichok, a very beautiful bird. Ichok volunteered itself to embark on the journey. But Ichok too had its own challenge. The challenge was that Ichok does not have enough feathers to fly far away. Talk more of flying far, far into the sky or even beyond the sky. So, other birds decided to contribute feathers. Different kind of bird, contributing different kinds of feathers. All of the feathers were contributed and given to Ichoku. Ichoku became very beautiful with those beautiful feathers. Ichoku became the most beautiful bird. Ichoku flew away. Ichoku flew far, 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 far into the sky, beyond the sky, and met with the gods. Do you know what happened later? Rain was sent down.
I have good news.
Oh, what good news, Ajadi?
I have found a wife. A beautiful maiden I will bring home.
Ajali.
Nayo Wifi.
I am gladdened. At the same time, I am afraid.
Afraid?
Yes. I'm
Why?
afraid. My son, our people say that the toad likes water, but not when it is hot. If you had told me earlier that you wanted a wife for yourself, I would have washed my eyes, lowered my limbs. It is my place as the only surviving brother of your late father to get you a befitting wife.
Wifi, I want you to be rest assured. She is from a good family, and I am certain you will like her.
Okay, let me ask you, is she from this land?
Yes, she is from this land.
All right. A snake seen by one person turns a python overnight. I'll go for you for an hour. One man does not marry a wife in our land. I have to send words across to my kindred. When they gather, you will also repeat what you've just told me before them.
Thank you very much, Obuefi. May your days be long.
And you too.
Friend, tell me what is a mother goat, nods at the cracking sound of the drum. She is not dancing. Rather, she recognizes the wailing of the leader. I know you, Ajale. I know you. There is fear in your heart.
I am not afraid.
A man does not wander far from where his corn roots. Ajale, you are my friend. Tell me, what is wrong?
Honor is with a child.
Are you responsible?
Of course I am responsible. And that is why I am going to get married to her as soon as possible. You know how it is shameful in our kingdom. Of any woman who gets pregnant in her father's house, you know that is shameful in our kingdom. And I am not going to allow that happen to Honor. What is wrong with you? What is wrong? Can you just be serious? I am serious.
Yes! You did!
Can you not just say a word? Can you not just... Yes, just do not say a word.
Oh, my honor. I was going to your house.
What do you want?
Oh, is that it? Has he got into that?
As you can see, I am on my way to my farm.
Hey, what nonsense is that? What are you trying to do? Walk out on me? Are you mad? How dare you want to walk out on me?
How many times have I warned you not to call me names? Do you know I can chop off your head here and bear the consequences? Be very careful with me. Be very careful.
No, is it because of that Is it because of that good for nothing maiden that you are giving me attitude? Eh? Oh, is that it? Oh, finally, what you told me is true. That she has enslaved your mind, that you no longer have sense.
Listen to me, Ide. Stay off my path. Stay off my path.
You idiot! Stay off your path, you idiot!
I will be coming with my kinsmen to see your father. But before then, I shall host them tomorrow at Obuefi Nana's compound. There I shall tell them my intentions. By this time tomorrow, I will tell you the day I shall come knock at your father's heart.
This brings peace to my heart.
Our love is like a misty rain that falls softly, but flows like the river. We will not be put to shame.
I am gladdened.
Just like the sun will never cease to rise at dawn. My heart will never cease to beat for you. Come. I told Ide.
I don't understand.
I told Ide you are with a child.
What do you mean? Is it because of what that good-for-nothing man said to you? You should know better than to take him serious. Oh, my friend, I forgot to tell you. Anadi confronted me.
Anadi?
Uh-huh.
Are you serious?
Yes, I am serious. He
Hey.
did. But not to worry. He's not an issue.
Ure, I hope these feelings I'm having does not come true.
You're always afraid of things that do not matter.
Then tell me what matters.
You already know. But not to worry, I'll remind you. The only thing that matters is that I make Ajali love me.
Ajali?
That is the only thing that matters.
Ure, you're out of your mind. Stop this, please. This is madness. Ure! Ure, listen to me, please. Greetings, Anadi, the great hunter.
Greetings. Am I a coward? Huh? How can this be happening to me? Ajali, you have hurt me to the bone, and you will regret it.
Greetings,
Greetings, maidens. I shall make you pay. Ajali, you shall pay.
Greetings, Anadi.
Norma, tell me all you know about Ajali and Urema, your friend.
How do you mean?
Do not lie to me. Norma, the news making rounds has it that both of them are having an affair. So if it is true, you are the first to know. What do you know about both of them?
Anadi, I can't say anything.
Norma, do not lie to me. What do you know about both of them?
Of a truth, I know that Urema likes Ajali and she's been dying for his attention. But then, I'm certain they don't have anything.
Are you telling me the truth? They have nothing together?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. They don't. Maybe she might have made people think otherwise, but then they don't.
Norma.
Eh?
Norma.
Yes.
Something tells me there is more about this. Norma. Norma. If you say they have nothing in common, no problems. No problems.
They don't have anything. Can I go, please?
You can go.
Thank you.
A man who stubbornly takes a woman with large buttocks as a concubine, he has two things to face. One, heartbreak, Obimbawa. Two, Obiam, poverty.
And then that was a fool.
A fool indeed.
Didn't we warn him? Eh? Otuto etomu no bulile.
What is something?
Otuto abiatu bulile. A bullfrog that rivals the size of an elephant will burst open. Oh, yeah. Our fathers were right. That is a woman.
Hey.
Ikemba.
Wow.
Ikemba. Hold on, the situation does not call.
Quickly, my head.
Ogbefi.
Odogu.
Ogbefi. Hey!
Come out here. Hurry now to Ajali's hut. Tell him that I, Ogbefi Nana, will be the very last person to prostrate in the morning before a father, to shoot a deer, and squat in the evening before a son, to shoot a goose. I will be the last person to do that.
Yes, ma'am.
Before this saliva dries up, if I don't see him here, tell him that my rage upon him will be hot. Very, very hot.
Yes, ma'am.
Run as fast as your limbs can carry you. Quickly.
Ogbefi. Ekariri okwu ikote. Ogbefi n'ime nwu ya. Ogbefi Nana. Oh, dogu. Ha! The great lion. How do you go?
My brothers, patience, please. Patience. I have already sent words across to him. And I believe in no time we shall... Oh, that's the boy coming there. That's him coming. That's what he will get here very soon. That's him, I can sight him from here. Yes, he's here final.
Greetings, Nna. Greetings, my elders.
No.
Greetings, my son.
You're welcome. Did you meet him at home?
No, Nnam. He is not in his hut. But those around there said they saw him leave for hunting in the morning. And he has not returned.
Otuto tom no bulile. Agbapugo gbapu mo ono. Otuto tom no bulile. Agbapugo gbapu mo ono. Ajali.
So we are falling low as elders in the eyes of Ajali, that he has to drag us from the warmth of our homes and kept us waiting for him for too long without any word.
A man does not need to be told that his mouth smells when he talks. Mere fact that the wife covers her nose whenever she is with the man is enough evidence. Ajali has insulted us.
Bam!
Greetings.
Greetings. How are your people?
They are fine.
You came to see Ajali?
Yes.
He went for hunting at morning and has since not returned.
He went alone.
Yes.
Oh. Then where could he be? Where?
I watched the night sitting on this threshold. There was no sign of him. Obufinana, something tells me all is not well at all.
Get yourself ready. Get yourself ready. Get yourself ready. We'll have to search the bushes. We'll search through his hunting paths. Go. I will meet you up at the crossroad leading towards the. Send words across to a few trusted young men.
No. Do not worry yourself, Ubofinana.
But I am worried already.
I shall take care of the search.
No. I am worried already. No sane man runs after a rat while his house is on fire. Ajali is my late brother's only son. So, I must come with you.
No.
I must come with you.
No. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. I will take care of it.
Another, please wait.
Mama, what?
Ajali is missing.
I am not aware of that.
You don't know anything about his whereabouts?
I do not know anything about that. Can I go now?
Yes.
Go after him! Go after him! Go after him! Go! Get him! Go after him! No! Go after him! Go after him! He must not escape.
Ida! Ida!
There is. Ah.
What is it? Hey, what is it?
You're still here. So you've not heard?
Heard what? Why are you running like one being chased like by a night masquerade? Ogineme,
Ajali is missing.
No. Calm down. What is it? Wait. Repeat what you said again. Who is missing?
Ajali. They say he went to hunt since yesterday and he has not returned.
Hey!
And with what I'm hearing, Ure, they said he might have been eaten by a wild animal.
No. Hey. Don't say that again. It's a lie. It's a lie. He's a lie. He's a lie. He's not missing. It's a lie. Where did you hear it?
I heard it from the farm. I just came back from my mother's farm. I just heard it.
Hey! No!
Honor. What is wrong? What is this that makes you refuse food and then brings tears to your eyes? Talk to me, child. I am your mother. It's okay. Ozgo, stop crying. It's okay. Ozgo. Silence is no glory, my child. One does not hide his nakedness from his family, for they are the ones that will clean him up in death. Speak to me, I am your mother. You have been wetting the earth with your spittle since morning.
I am well.
Una, are you with child? No, I'm asking you, Ona. Are you with child?
No, mother, I am not with child.
It appears we've lost him.
No, I don't think so. He's lurking around somewhere in this forest. We will search and we will find him.
Why do we waste our breath chasing after one man when we can hunt for another?
If we let him go, his tongue will speak what his eyes saw.
That is not a problem.
Of course it is a problem. War has been started for less. And you know our land is in no condition to wage war at the moment.
We will go apart. And if anyone finds him, he should raise an alert. This way. You this way. That way. Greetings.
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 Greetings. How did it go? Bango. Obinna. Ojeko. Marika. Ide, I am talking to you. How did it go?
We found this. This is where he's. I am sure you are aware of the situation on ground.
Yes. But what has that got to do with me? Huh?
Well, I just want to find out if you are aware.
Now you know I am aware. na-eme gala n'iru ama. Ọzụgụ ị na-eme gala ị na-enwe ọka na olu oko na-elu n'ode njinji abịanụ. Azụkwa m egbe buru nwa udene nya bụ na etekwelu nwa udene nwe ya na na-eli okwa nwa udene eli. Egbe burukwa ọkụkọ na ebe sọlịa jenola. Ray. I'm glad to see you, Ray. Oh, welcome.
Where is Ajali?
I heard he went hunting and then he hasn't returned.
So you meant what you said?
What did I say?
You swore to kill him.
Ray, come on. Come off it. What are
you killed your friend because of me.
Ray, do not let another ear hear this.
Oh, now you're scared. Well, if you don't want other ears to hear it, tell me where he is.
Ura, I do not know. Ajali is my friend. How can I hurt my own friend? I do not know.
Anadi, for the last time, where is Ajali?
And I said I do not know, Ray.
Very well then. You think you are crafty. We shall see.
Ure, are you planning on? But I don't know where he went. Ure.
Before you came into my life, I was a ghost. I ate. I moved. I worked. I laughed. I was still a ghost. And you love. Your love is like that of a rising sun. You brought life. You brought happiness to me.
I hear that when men love, they do so wholeheartedly.
The gods can go ahead. They can curse me. The world can go ahead. They can hate me. I promise you, my love. I promise you my love until the last breath I take.
Your words are so sweet.
I made you this. I made them with my hands.
It is so beautiful.
Not as beautiful as you. I want you to always wear them. Always wear them. It is something that will constantly remind you of my love for you.
I promise you with my whole heart. I will. Always. Wear it.
I love you.
I love you too.
I'll wait for your love.
Greetings, Ogbuefi Nana.
Greetings, my child. Who are you?
My name is Uremma, daughter of Ogbuefi Uzozie of Ozan clan.
Oh, Ogbuefi Uzozie of Ozan. How is your father?
He is well, Nai.
Did your father give you a message for me?
No.
I hope all is well.
Yes, Nai, all is well. Nai, all is not well. I am here to tell you that I know the person responsible for the disappearance of Ajali.
The elders request your presence.
What for?
You will know when you meet them.
I greet you all, my elders. I told Nai Ogbuefi Nana that Anadi here is responsible for Ajali's disappearance.
Easy, my daughter. Our people say that the crocodile chews slowly because when it chews with decorum. We are elders and judge with reason. Please, tell us what led to this kind of talk.
I greet you all again, my elders. For 2 seasons, Anadi has been asking for my hand in marriage. I told him that my heart lies with another. Recently, he discovered that the man that my heart beats for is Ajali. He got angry and threatened to kill Ajali. So I am very sure that he is the one responsible for his disappearance.
Uremba, my elders, it is not true.
Anade, did you say those words to her? At any time?
My elders.
Speak to us!
Yes, I said it.
Hold on. Anadi. Nana he joko acho ehihie. Ehihie bo ko ehihie. You intentionally killed your own friend. In fact, the closest friend you have in this kingdom. You killed him because of a woman.
I did not kill. How can it be possible? Ajali is my friend. How can I didn't touch him.
Anad, now listen. Let me ask you. Why didn't you go hunt with him that same day? Because both of you are often seen hunting together.
Why didn't you go answer him?
I was not feeling too strong. I had Iba. I had Iba.
Okay, you were sick. My people. You don't look for something where there is nothing. The case is open, transparent.
It's an open case.
Ajali was threatened by Anadi. It happened simply because of a woman. And the worst is the threat manifested. We all prepared to visit their in-laws. And a day before that, Ajali disappeared. Anadi?
No.
Amusu bela kwa na abano tutu made anwo igajo basi febulu mwade. No. A witch cries at night, a child dies in the morning. You don't need to ask what killed the child.
Yes. Nai, in all sincerity, I don't know how else to defend this, but I am innocent. How can I take a life? Do I give one? I'm not the ghost. Nai, I'm innocent. I'm just innocent. Can't you people...
You shouldn't have gone to that extent.
I did what I had to do.
What if you're wrong?
I cannot be wrong. I am sure he did it. I can swear to that. Anadi killed Ajali and he must pay with his life. Must.
Urema, why are you consumed with so much hatred for someone who showed interest in you? At least you should have made sure of your claim before testifying against the young man.
I just told you that I am sure and I can swear to it. No, please. I don't have any business with you. The case is now with the elders. If you want to plead on his behalf, go to the elders and do so, not with me, please.
This is not right.
My elders, I didn't do anything. My elders, I'm innocent of this. I'm innocent of the crime you are accusing me of.
Anadi, it has never been heard that the son of the soul killed another because of a woman. Yes. Our land does not lack women.
I know, but I'm innocent of this.
You are innocent?
Yes, I didn't kill him.
Listen very carefully. The cow that defecates, thinking is soiling the pasture. Let us see whose buttos will soil first. Flog him. Flog him. Flog him. They said if I get
of my life. I didn't do anything. I did nothing. Hey! Flog him. First, Amadeo, I will kill all of you. Amadeo, I will kill all of you.
Anadi, say the truth and set yourself free.
No, I didn't do anything.
You have not said the truth. Confess now. Say the truth.
What truth do you want?
Flog him harder. Let him die there.
What truth do you want me to say? What did you...
Urama! Urama! Ure! Urama!
Idogini, why are you shouting my name like that? If my father were to be here, you tell him why you are screaming my name.
Ure, why? You know, why are you doing this?
Why am I doing what?
Why are you pointing fingers when you are not sure?
And who says I am not sure?
I don't think you really are.
Oh, really? Really?
Yes, Anadi may have threatened to hurt Ajali. Yes, it was because he was hurt. For seasons, Anadi has been chasing you around. Crawled, begging you, professing his love for you.
And I made it clear to him that I am not interested.
And because of that, you want to punish him?
You know what? You are talking nonsense.
I am not.
You are!
Fine, I am talking nonsense! If you insist. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please, Ure. I am here to beg you, please. Please go back to the elders and tell them you were not sure. Go back to them, tell them anything. Just please tell them you spoke out of sadness. Please.
Muma, Uremma, go back to the elders and tell them I'm not sure. Hey, Mama, I will not do that because I am very, very sure. Anadi is responsible for Ajali's disappearance. So he must pay. Must!
Oh, please. Please, I'm begging you. Do not allow an innocent man to go through pains for something he knows nothing about. Please.
Eko Alicia, Icheiru ebiche azu.
Uremma, I am begging you. You want me to kneel? Ure! Come on now. What is it?
Ide, I cannot find my daughter.
Honor?
I cannot find Honor. For some days now, she has been behaving strange. And this morning she left without a trace. I cannot find Honor. I cannot find Honor.
What? You're looking for Honor?
Yes.
What is going on in this land?
I discovered she ran away with her clothing. Huh? I cannot say what is wrong with my daughter. I don't know where to find her. I don't know where to go.
What is happening? Yeah? It was Ajali. Now Honor. What is going on?
Where is my daughter? Where is
Mama, it's all right. It's all right. Please, I don't like teen tears. Maybe no one can. Please, it's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. We'll find her. We'll find her.
Are you sure? Are you sure Honor is alive?
We'll find her. I believe nothing has happened to her. Oh, because. Sorry. What's going on? Honor. Hi. Ado.
What is it?
I can no longer continue.
Why?
My strength fails me.
Your strength fails you. What does that mean?
Ago, if I move an inch, I will no longer live to tell these tales.
We cannot stop. We cannot rest till we get hold of him and take him back to the groove of Ogugu, dead or alive.
Ago, my legs are numb. Please, can I have some rest? If I can continue, let me have some rest, please. Huh?
You want to rest? Rest you shall. I don't think he did it.
Why do you say so?
Because they are both my friends. I know them too well. Huh? Anadi couldn't have hurt Ajali just like that. What possible?
But you threatened to do so.
Yes, that was because he was enraged.
Hold on. Did you say enraged?
Yes.
Ah. You may not have seen. You may not have known. You may not have heard. But know it now. That those men that are raged are the actual people that strike those that wish them well.
Well, Anadi is innocent.
But you can see how you're battling with words. Speak for yourself, my son. Speak for yourself.
My spirit, my heart, my all. I'll die if you stop loving me.
And I'll die first if you think about it again. Just like the river will never run dry. My love for you will never die.
Charlie, your words, they melt my heart.
Our father says, a man does not wander far from where his corn roasts. You, my love, you are like a spring that gives me strength. Nothing in this world can take you away from me. I love you.
I want you to follow me back to the grove. Now. And you must. Honor is waiting for me. Please, let me go. Fine. Find someone else.
Fight for your love. You are worth fighting for. I'll wait for your love. You are worth waiting for. Anama yogi do do do. Yenu mo bigi. Anama yogi yenu mi funanya. Yenu mo bigi. Alichie mo. Ifegi de mumano bio. Mwamolo na male. Chai. Asim na yimasiri mo. Lelele. Anama yogi do do do. Yenu mo bigi. Anama yogi yenu mi funanya. Yenu mo bigi. Mastery of love, you are the centerpiece. You are the one my heart desires. No one else but you. Anama yogi do do do. Yenu mo bigi. Anama yogi, yenu mi funanya, yenu mo bigi. Mastery of love, you are the centerpiece. You are the one my heart desires, no one else but you. Anama yogi, do do do, yenu mo bigi. Anama yogi, yenu mi funanya, yenu mo bigi.
Ide. Hey! Achale!
Dogs do not eat dog.
Yes.
Any dog that feeds on a fellow dog is evil.
Yes.
You are evil, Anadi. Evil.
The pepper is done. The pepper is done.
Bring it. Bring the pepper. Be fast.
We'll make him talk. We'll make him talk.
I will make
Rub
him
it
talk.
on him. Rub it on him.
Nonsense. Use it on him. Do it properly.
No.
Make him talk.
Ajali. Ajali is back.
Huh?
Yes. Ajali. And he's back. He's alive.
Which Ajali?
Ajali.
What are you saying?
He's back.
What are you saying?
He's alive.
Hey! Are you telling us the truth?
Yes.
Which Ajali?
You saw Ajali with your two eyes.
Sorry. Oh, sorry. It's okay. Sorry. No. May the gospel be praised. You are recovering. Sorry.
Since yesterday, you have not said a word to me. What happened?
Ide. Oh, it is a long story.
Oh. Don't do this, please.
Where is Honor?
Please. Easy. Relax, you are just recovering.
I know. But please, I want to set eyes on the love of my life. Tell me where Honor is.
She's fine.
I want to see her. Please bring her to me. Ide. Where is Honor? Talk! Where is the love of my life?
I don't know where she is. Her mother said that she ran away.
She did what?
Please, my brother. Please, don't do this. You are just recovering. Rest. Okay? Ajali.
Honor.
Ajali.
Honor. Honor.
Ajali.
Honor.
Ajali. Ajali.
Honor. Honor.
Ajali.
Honor.
Ajali, you're alive. You're alive. What happened to you?
I had feast with that. But it's a story for another day. Look at you. How have you been?
It's my mother. She suspects I'm with child.
In that case, we have to hasten up. We have to make plans for the marriage before she finds out.
Yes. Actually, take the ghost, you're alive. Take the ghost.
What about the young man we wrongly accused?
In fact, I did not sleep last night because of the torture I received in my heart for the wrong we have done. Inasmuch as we did it unknowingly, it does not alleviate the fact that we have hurt someone.
We will find a way to appease him. But about the young maiden that led the false accusation, what do we do with her?
We will take care of her. After we have taken care of the young man, we are put through so much pain. Yes.
Okay.
Anali, the elders in the meeting today concluded that Urema's fate is in your hands. You know what that means? It means that whatever you decide to happen to her will take effect immediately. I'm telling you. If you want her to be banished from this land immediately, it will take effect. If you want heavy penalty to be levied on her, it will take effect immediately. That idiot Urema deserves to be punished severely. Only they can punish her. Eh? Anade, you are not saying anything. Ha! She must be punished. No, if you don't want to punish her, I will do that. I will invite Amadi plus her, and they will combine forces on her with heavy punishment levy on her. I will give punishment like this. You are still not saying anything. Come! Whoever must be punished. What must is that? She must be punished. You see that spirit of Muhammad that has possessed her, I will use that force to punish her. She must be punished. You are still not saying anything. Anadi, whatever must... You must say something. Whatever must be punished.
Ikemba.
Greeting, dear darling.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Thank the gods who kept you safe, just so you could return home.
The gods are gracious. Why is your face dull and cold?
Your disappearance brought so much pain in the land. And Anadi was made to go through hell just because of it. Okay, now the elders have already placed Orema's fate in his hands. And I'm really scared that out of anger, he might make her life so miserable.
Oh, yes. No. We must go to Anadi's place at once.
Yes.
Where is Orema?
I don't know where she is, but I'm really scared that she might hurt herself because of fear of what awaits her.
We must see Onadi at once.
Yes, you have to. Please.
Let us go.
I do not deserve your forgiveness because I've hurt you so much. You do not deserve all that I've done to you. You are a good man. I was blinded to see that. You showed me so much love, but I was blinded to see that too. I was busy loving someone that does not care about me. Ignoring someone that showed me so much love. I have been a fool. A big fool. The elders have decided to punish me. But I'm not scared of their punishment. I am here to beg for your forgiveness from the depth of my heart. Please, I am sorry.
Hold on. You caused me pain. You rejected me when my intentions were genuine.
I'm sorry.
Yet, I still love you.
No, Anadi. You can't love me after all I've done to you.
Ray, I wish I can hate you. But I found out that I even love you more.
Anadi.
I love you. And I can't stop loving you. Even if you reject me over and over again. My heart beats for you.
I've never seen a man like you. Thank you.
No, did I hear you say come here? Did I say come here? And I come, you idiot! You idiot! First, just say I am an idiot.
Ide, I am sorry.
Shut up! Shut up, idiot! If I hear E, let alone Ide, Nkuwagana, una idiot!
It's...
No, what do we do? Someone who has already killed you. Oh, man, Ungo. He said, come here. What do you mean, come here? Idiot! What kind of stupid love is this?
It's fine.
Don't tell me to stop. Don't tell me to stop. In fact, anybody who is in love is an idiot.
Okay.
Yes, you can argue that with your ancestors. Idiot! Who am I, idiot?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry about that.
It's okay, I deserve that. It's okay. Thank you.
Nonsense! Ajale, thank the gods that you are here. Thank the gods that you are here. Could you imagine? Could you imagine that idiot called Urema went to Anade to ask for forgiveness? And the idiot accepted.
Oh, that is good.
Oh, what do you mean, oh, that's good? What do you mean, oh, that's good? See, Anade did not only accept, but he started professing his love for her. Can you imagine?
Wow. That is true love.
Yes, true love, because I can't really imagine that he actually forgave her.
He loves her.
Yes.
What is going on? No, what are you people saying? Are you out of your minds? How could you call that love?
Ide, you're only saying this because you've never been in love before.
May the gods forbid.
Why are you sounding this way?
I should fall in love to become an idiot? Yes! I have finally found out that falling in love is to become an idiot.
Oh.
Yes, I am saying this because you people supported the idea that Anadi forgave her. In fact, all the people who are in love are idiots.
So we're idiots.
Yes.
So, okay, wait. What are you now trying to tell us? That you don't want to fall in love? Okay, wait. If falling in love is to be an idiot, would you rather not be an idiot? Okay, what if Anna tells you I'm in love with you? Yes.
You idiot! You want me to become an idiot?
My friend,
shut up! Shut up, you're about idiot! Why am I even wasting my precious time with idiots like you? Idiot!
Wait, we are going together. Come, I'm waiting for you. Come.
Go back, idiot!
Sorry.
What? Hey!
Fight for your love. You are worth fighting for. I'll wait for your love. You are worth waiting for. Anama yogi do do do. Yenu mo bigi. Anama yogi yenu mi funanya. Yenu mo bigi. Omali chamo. Ifegi de mumano bio. Mwamolo na male. Chai. Asim na yimasirimo. Lelele. Anama yogi do do do. Yenu mo bigi. Anama yogi yenu mi funanya. Yenu mo bigi. Mastery of love. You are the centerpiece. You are the one my heart desires. No one else but you. Anama yogi.